How to start investing in the US in 2025. Welcome to our Investing in the US training. By the end of this training, you will understand the importance of investing over saving, identify personal financial goals before investing, learn how to open a brokerage account with beginner-friendly platforms, discover suitable investment options like index funds and ETFs. Here are the key steps to start investing. Inflation reduces your savings purchasing power over time. The impact of inflation on savings. Understand how investing grows your wealth over time. Action: consider the benefits of investing versus saving. Establishing financial goals helps guide your investment choices. Setting clear financial goals is essential. Determine your investment timeline and risk tolerance. Action: clarify what you're investing for: retirement, a home, or other goals. A brokerage account is necessary for investing. Choose a brokerage account that suits your needs. Look for platforms offering low fees and user-friendly interfaces. Action: open an account with a reputable brokerage like Fidelity or Vanguard. Diversified investments can reduce risk while maximizing returns. Start with index funds and ETFs for diversification. Consider adding individual stocks for higher potential returns. Action: research options like S&P 500 ETFs and growth stocks. Let's explore some real-life investment scenarios. Investing $100 a month could lead to significant growth. Consider, how much could $100 invested monthly grow over time? Your action should be: review the potential growth of consistent investments over 20 years. Comparing different investment strategies can inform your choices. Analyze, what are the returns of growth stocks versus dividend stocks? If comparing returns, evaluate which strategy suits your financial goals better. Now let's recap. Investing helps combat inflation. Clear goals simplify investment decisions. Start with diversified options like index funds and ETFs. Research is crucial before investing. Begin your investment journey today by selecting a brokerage account and defining your financial goals. Thank you for participating in our Investing in the US training.